was dating my soon-to-be wife, I always was careful to look my best, to say the right things, to be complimentary, to give her roses, to send her notes. And then, after the initial infatuation and love period ended, marriage got in the way. And same old, how was your day, what's going on? And we lost that sense of courtship, magic, love, romance. We began to take each other for granted. Instead of seeing life and marriage as an obligation and responsibility, the mindset of, I have a right to be served and to be happy and to be given things that I want from my spouse and expectations. This is a problem because we're living a life of expectations and entitlement instead of a life of rights and obligations.